Pulsechain is a full-state copy of Ethereum's proof-of-stake network. This means not only the code has been copied, but also all of its history, smart contracts, tokens, and NFTs, while some adjustments make it faster and cheaper to transact on. It's a great way for dApps that were struggling with the high gas fees on Ethereum to come over on Pulsechain. All truly decentralized applications only need minor settings adjustments to make this happen. Pulsechain has the potential to grow into one of the best blockchains out there, as it's a fork of the most battle-tested one, while giving the Ethereum users a free copy of all their tokens. It already has a massive community of users and developers utilizing the network, and many of them believe Pulsechain will provide generational wealth. Strategies are being made in order to maximize the potential gains by using protocols like liquid loans. This truly decentralized application offers interest-free loans that enable you to either take profit without ever selling any of your Pulse, or to grow your exposure to Pulsechain without having to deploy new capital. The biggest problem with these strategies, however, is that it requires a substantial amount of money to be executed safely. That's why I want to talk to you about a project that uses one of these strategies and makes it accessible for the average poor pleb like me. Welcome to Crypto Hexplained, the easiest way to educate yourself on a ride around the blockchain. Here we try to explain crypto topics as simply as possible so everyone can understand. In this video, we'll go over the UP token and how it's designed to outperform Pulsechain. As always, no financial advice on this channel. I'm just gathering the facts so my lazy friends don't have to. To understand what the UP token is all about, you need to know the basics of liquid loans first. I've explained everything you need to know in this short, easy to understand 7-minute video, so be sure to check it out if you haven't already. Anyway, to give you a brief overview, the protocol allows you to borrow, stake, earn, and redeem. To take out a loan, you have to open a vault where PLS is deposited as collateral on one side, after which a stable coin called USDL is minted on the other side. This USDL can be used for whatever purpose or strategy you want, but the most important factor to keep in mind is that it's always redeemable for $1 worth of Pulse. The stability pool plays a major role in this guarantee and rewards stability providers with discounted PLS and the loan token. The loan token is not just another inflationary reward token, as it can be staked in the loan staking pool to earn a share of both the borrowing fees and redemption fees in the form of PLS and USDL. Some strategies make use of all these features combined, while others concentrate on only one or two of them. A simple yet powerful example is the haunted strategy that only utilizes the borrowing feature. In this case, you mint 10% of the dollar value of your deposited PLS in USDL, swap it on a decentralized exchange for PLS, and add it back into your vault. Then you just wait for PLS to go up in value by 10%, after which you take out another loan, returning your collateral to 1,000%. This is a great way to maximize your gains, while the over-collateralization makes sure it can withstand major price drops of PLS. However, the biggest downside is that it requires a starting capital of $20,000 or more, as the minimum amount you can borrow in the liquid loans protocol is $2,000. An over-collateralized vault of 1,000% isn't feasible for most, which is why many will only be utilizing the other features of the protocol. While the stability pool and the staking pool are great sources of passive income during both bull and bear markets, it's a combination of all the mentioned features that will be most beneficial during a bull market. This is where the UP token comes in. The UP token itself is just a simple send and receive token with a maximum supply of 21 million tokens, just like Bitcoin. There are no complicated features or staking mechanisms whatsoever. If you want to get involved, you just buy it and hold it. The supply of UP token is fixed and was distributed through a sacrifice phase similar to the one for Pulsechain, where none of the tokens were allocated to the team. The $695,000 that was raised is being used for one purpose and one purpose only, which is to benefit the UP token. The funds have been split into multiple wallets, each using their own unique strategy that is powered by a hybrid approach of both manual and automated optimization. These wallets will either buy and burn as many UP tokens as possible, making it extremely deflationary, or provide liquidity for the UP/PLS pair, making sure there's always enough liquidity to give sellers a way out whenever they want. Most of the funds are being managed by the Benevolent Wallet, where it will be deposited into 2 liquid loan vaults and the liquid loan stability pool as soon as the protocol launches. The first vault is the buy and burn vault, where 10% of the dollar value of the deposited PLS will be minted in USDL in order to fund 3 components of the UP strategy. 71.25% of the USDL will be swapped for PLS to be added back into the vault. 23.75% is sent to the buy and burn, and the remaining 5% goes to the No Expectations wallet. More on this wallet in a moment. First, you should know that half of the funds that are being sent to the buy and burn can be executed by the community call function right away, while the other half will be sitting in the stability pool, waiting to be executed as soon as the USD value of PLS drops by 50%. When somebody sells down the price, the buy and burn will buy it back up and burn those tokens never to return to the market. The second vault is the stability vault and is very similar to the buy and burn vault, with the difference being that its goal is to increase the UP stable pool size. Instead of sending 23.75% to the buy and burn, it goes into the stability pool. Everything else is the same. As soon as the value of PLS goes up by 10%, both of the vaults will take out another loan, returning its collateral to 1,000%. However, you should know that the collateral ratio can be adjusted to 500% if market conditions indicate stability. Whatever the ratio is at the time of you watching this video, Pulsechain going up in value means more buy and burn and an ever-growing share in the stability pool. The stability pool is an important factor in the UP strategy, as it's being used as a reserve to activate additional sets of vaults in case PLS drops in value by 75%. This way, more and more vaults will benefit the UP token over time. Of course, regardless of the PLS chart, the stability funds also generate passive income in both discounted PLS and the loan token. The accrued loan tokens will be deposited into the staking pool in order to earn a portion of the fees from the protocol that will all be forwarded to the buy and burn. So whether we're in a bull or a bear market, there's a constant buy pressure for the UP token, especially if liquid loans is a high volume dApp on Pulsechain. The second wallet designed to benefit the UP token is the Bonanza Wallet. Anyone can send 10,000 PLS to this wallet in order to receive a ticket for one of the 10,000 UP token giveaways. The main purpose of this wallet is to maintain liquidity for the UP token, as 45% of the accumulated PLS is deposited in the liquidity pool. This way, the UP token DEX liquidity will scale with its price performance, leaving enough liquidity for people to cash out whenever they want. It's also creating more buy pressure, as another 45% is buying UP tokens for future giveaways, while the remaining 10% goes straight to the buy and burn. Last but not least is the No Expectations wallet, or the Pumpermental wallet. This wallet was created to add a little bit of flexibility to the overall UP token strategy, meaning that it will also benefit the UP token and its community, but it's not predetermined how. It isn't controlled by immutable smart contracts, so you should have no expectations from it whatsoever. Its initial funding came from the Benevolent Wallet's liquidity pool earnings made in the early days of Pulsechain, and it will also have ongoing funding, as 5% of each vault's loan will be sent to this wallet. These funds can be used for developer fees, web hosting fees, marketing, or any pumpermental reasons the team behind the UP token might have. Most likely it will be sent to the Benevolent Wallet, so the PLS can be added to the vaults, or another strong possibility is that it goes to the buy and burn. These 3 wallets are completely separate from each other, but it's clear that they're all trying to benefit the UP token. Its success is tied to the price performance of PLS, while it also depends on liquid loans functioning well and on how the UP token strategy plays out. If Pulsechain does well, UP token should do better as the buy and burn grows exponentially, making it extremely deflationary. Interesting to know is that Haunted, the brain behind it all, is also launching a second protocol called UpX to add even more buy and burn pressure. It has a benevolent wallet of its own to execute a similar strategy, with the difference being that it will use both liquid loans and Power City's Earn protocol. Its main purpose is to buy and burn the UpX token itself, but it will also allocate 5% of its funds to buy and burn UP tokens. The ongoing sacrifice phase will determine how much the benevolent wallet can buy and burn right out of the gate. Check the link in the description to find out if the sacrifice is still open by the time you're watching this video. Anyway, the UP token is meant for people who are bullish on Pulsechain and want to get exposure to all of the liquid loans features, regardless of the amount of money they're able to invest. There's no need to monitor the market on a daily basis, and there's no need to execute complex strategies yourself. It runs completely automated and can withstand price drops in PLS of up to 99%. You just buy it and hold it. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are, and if you think the UP strategy can do what it's designed for, which is to outperform Pulsechain. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and click the notification bell to get notified for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.